All right, welcome to the channel of Woodman, guys. So today we have Fronx Woodman ke showroom pe. So we have installed a 360 system in that. So you can see there are cameras on the mirrors, right? And let's get inside and see, how the things work inside. Let's go. Okay, so this is our system, Xtreme 4.0. I think this system is pretty much nicer, and it has a lot of different features. So firstly, we're gonna talk about the 360 system. Guys, you can see the clarity. I mean, this is a fantastic clarity. So basically, if you will double tap on the screen, it will give you the whole screen. This is the front view. This is the rear view. I think at night it works pretty much fine, pretty much nicer than other stereos, right? And then we see the left view, we see the right view, we see the panorama. Absolutely. We have to go to back and we'll see 360. Let's see. Okay, so you can move your car and see around, guys. This is crazy, right? You can see people around you, you can see people ahead of you. These people are sitting here, the bike is going around. So I think this is fantastic feature. I think it works pretty well. It actually works pretty well when you put this in your car. And let's see what customization we can make in the car. Can we like change the colors? Okay, so we can change the color of the cars. I think I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna do MPV. Okay, guys, you can see we have changed the car color, and I think it is looking pretty much fancy. All right, this is, I mean, it's pretty interesting feature, like, okay. And then we review the other things. Okay, so we come to the home screen. I think the home screen is like pretty much nicer. You can see there's like orange and white and black. You can customize the home screen however you want. You just have to go to the theme editor and you can change the color of the home screen, like whatever you would like to do. You would like to make it like green or like blue or like anything you want. So I think this is like a pretty much customizable thing. According to your requirements, you can change anything. So I'm gonna keep it on the orange because it's like pretty much standard, and no, it looks royal to me, to be honest. Okay, so you can change the color of the stereo, like the background and stuff. If you want to, you just can go to the theme preset. You want to change the background, you can do that. You can do this, you can do this, and then this, like anything you can do, and it works pretty much fine to me. This is like very nice. Okay, so if you want to reset the default, you can reset the default. I think this feature is like pretty cool. And you can also see a pretty small robot here. It works and listen to you anytime. If you want to operate the robot with your buttons, so here are like some buttons. You can just click the button, tap, open YouTube. Okay. You see? Damn, this feature is like nice. You can navigate anywhere if you want to. If you want to navigate, let's do it again. Open maps. Okay. All right, I think the voice command feature is like pretty much nice. Let's see about the voice command feature. Okay, let's see. We're gonna just search it. Take me to horse cars. Guys, you can see the speed of the stereo is like fantastically fine, and it works pretty much well. You can see, it's just opening within the few clicks. And you can go back and let's see what else feature we have. We have radio, navigation, music, phone, internet apps. You can browse anything on internet, or open the radio, navigation, music. Okay, you see, like this robot is working while you are just speaking. Open YouTube. Damn, I think this feature is like fantastically nice. Start navigation. Damn, guys, I think this is like a pretty nice feature. I love that feature in this stereo. And then we're gonna be talking about the split screen feature. The split screen feature is like pretty much nice. You can just split your screens, like you just open the map on one window and you want to open YouTube on another window, so you just have to go on the map, click on the window, and another is the YouTube. So you can work like that. If you are like driving, you don't want to get bored, you can operate the music and the map at the same time. I think this feature is also fantastically nice. And I mean, you can see the speakers are pretty nice.
Karen, where are you at?
Alright. Okay guys, so another feature we have, that is equalizer. Let's suppose we have turned on the radio. We're gonna just off this screen. We will... Okay, so we have this song, right? So we're just gonna open the equalizer to see what changes it can do. Let's see. Guys, you can see the change. Guys, this feature is like pretty much nice. If you want to increase the bass, you can increase the bass. You can see it. Okay. I mean, that's a pretty cool feature, right? And then we'll go back, we'll explore some more apps in here. Okay, so we can, we can download any app from the Play Store if you want to. There is Play Store, you can download any app of Android, and there is Netflix, Prime Videos, or anything you want to explore while you are driving. And you can also do like Netflix and chill if in the car if you want to. This is like pretty much nicer, and have a little date in the car. So yeah, we have CarLink. We can just go and connect your Apple CarPlay if you want to from here, or your Android device with here. So yeah, that's gonna be all for today's videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you like the features. And the last thing, these keys are pretty much interesting here. You can choose anything if you want to. You can just increase or decrease the volume from the buttons, right? As you want. You want to make a call, you can just make a call from here. And you want to pick up the call, you can pick up the call from here. You want to open the voice command, you can just click it. Open YouTube.
Sure.
Damn, I think this feature is like pretty much nice. I love it. So yeah, and there are like more features, you can like explore it right here. So thanks for watching the video, guys, and I hope you like the video. Please go to our website www.hiwoodman.com to buy the stereo and look at our products. Thank you so much, guys.